I mean, Sunday, and guess who's here? Hey, you! Alright, guess who's here? Brother Luke's back. Oh. Hey, yo! Mr. Mark's behind the wheel. And we are going to surprise Mr. Bell of Show. I'm good, how are you? Hey, doggy! Hey, doggy! Yeah, dog for walk. Yeah. Come, we'll go together to take the dog for walk. Which dog is that? Why not? Sup, son? It's a long time now. I got it. Alright, mission was successful. We surprised Mr. Bell of the show. And now we're just going for a ride. Yeah. Yeah, you go, shut up. Yo, we are going to be lighting some fireworks right now. Alright, Luke is lighting the big bomb, if the camera can focus. Oh, my ears! Okay, Luke is lighting a rocket. Oh, that was so anticlimactic. Good bottle. North Korea. I'm standing behind you already for protection. We found an extra firework. It's not us, but we lighted still, and it's wet. It ain't gonna light today. Oh shit! Ow! Ouch! I can't do anything. Give me your phone microphone. I couldn't hear anything like a grenade explosion, bro. Alright, we're gonna try some experiment. Somebody put flash.
Okay, 1, 2, and. It's going inside. Look. No, it is.
What happened to the rocket?
Rocket didn't. It blasted or what?
Rocket got fried. Shit. Oh. Bro, it sent a shockwave across the pond.
So look at that.
This light is clapped, fam.
Sorry? Put together.
Okay, we're almost out of fireworks and I think we might go and get more. Okay, we changed locations. Shubhal brought us to a ground where he plays football. Okay. Oh shit. We're gonna put a bomb in this shoe. Others will wait for Shobel and Mark to come, right? Elsta, no. We'll wait for them to come. They should. Alright, looks up to some madness. Oh shit! That took out one of my ears. Okay, Mark and Shobel's back. So these are the final moments of this shoe in somewhat decent condition. Boys, I present you with this idea. Bomb in the shoe.
वो child shoe रे, ATM से order है.
Keep it close by, Lucky. Keep it close by. Wait. Look. Ow! Look what happened to the damn shoe. Got some balls to hold the rockets upright. The grass flew all over. So funny. Alright, boys, stay ready. What the fuck? Last cracker. It's the next day. We are here again with some more friends to bust more firecrackers. As usual, we are up to no good.
उठ रे.
Fuck! वो तो पानी वाले बन.
अरे बाय काय मस्त ग्राउंड पे पेपर मारे मेरे.
Whoa! आता फुटली ती. बॅन करायला. The hell? Look at तुझे अप्रैल आएगा. Shobel ran over there. That will lighten 2 to 3 business days. और कचरा है ना इज आउट. This be smoking. We single-handedly cleaned the drain in the night. This guy is unpredictable, huh? Shit. Jeff went on the road over there directly. अरे फेल. Shobel gone. Shobel's gone.
अरे मारता आवागाना म्हणणार
Yep. We don't trust that book.
अरे बाय का अरे एक काम करूया हे गाडी हे बनायचं
Alright, we're here at Shobel's place. We're playing FIFA right now, and I'm going to end the vlog right here. Bye. Also check out this cute ass dog.